struggle, my friend and my lover, I put that on everything.
Hey guys, it's me Taylor. I'm back with a new video for you guys. A nice and natural looking brows tutorial. This is very beginner friendly, very easy. Just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that for me. I'm starting out with primed eyebrows. I'm just gonna jump right into things. I'm gonna grab my Morphe brush and I'm gonna use the spoolie side to just comb them out. And for this tutorial specifically, I chose to use a NYX Espresso Pencil. And I did this because I want the front of my brow to really look very faded. So I used the lighter brown shade in Espresso because I felt like it would really give me the look that I was going for. And as you previously saw, I like to usually start in the middle. But since I'm using this pencil today, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in those hairs towards the front of my brow instead of starting on the tail, because we're going for a natural look and not so much of a filled in look. There's a difference, and I'm showing you the natural way today. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my e.l.f. brow dip. This pomade is also in the shade Espresso. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start filling in the tail of my brows. Meeting again at the middle. I find it to be easiest, so yes. And just filling in those hairs that you already have. You don't wanna make it look like you've drawn a brow or you've really filled in your brows. We're going for a natural look today. So that just means you're gonna sketch out your own shape and you're gonna blend in the process. I'm gonna take my LA Pro Girl concealer. You guys know I love this stuff. And this is in the shade Cool Tan. Starting again in the middle, I'm gonna take it down and sharpen up my tail. Can try to be nice and precise. You're just carving out the shape of your own eyebrow. And for this cleaning portion of the brow, just think about it like a fresh wax. All you want to see is that perfect brow. You don't want to see any stray hairs, any stray marks. You want it to be snatched. So that's what you see me doing, just cleaning it up. And now the NYX Pro Girl concealer, I'm gonna take the shade Beautiful Bronze and just define the top portion of my brow. And you guys, you know that I like to highlight underneath of my brow only, just so that I won't look over highlighted with makeup. I find it to look better when you have something closer to your skin tone on the top of your brow. For this natural look specifically. And you're just gonna see me continue to take the rest of that concealer and sculpt it to my liking, just lining it up to my natural eyebrow hairs and blending it out. And you're just gonna keep correcting my tail so it looks nice and neat. You don't want a thick tail, you don't want a skinny tail, just make it proportional to what you already have. Just lining up that concealer with my natural eyebrow hairs. I'm not going into my eyebrow hairs, just right before where it meets the skin. Now you're gonna see me adjust the faded part of my brow. It's gonna continue to keep that faded look. You don't want any boxes. No boxes, guys. No boxes. I'm gonna take my next brush and just blend. No stray concealer, anything. Just blend it out. See the difference? Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other brow. The same way, starting in the middle. And I'm again going to line the top and the bottom of my brow. Very light strokes. And I wanted to point out one thing. You know how everybody can like raise one eyebrow? Like, I have this eyebrow right now is always at its highest arch, like with my facial expressions and everything. Like when I relax my face, they're proportional. They're sitting in the same spot. But when I'm talking or I don't know, that eyebrow is just up high. I can be thinking. So if you see that in some videos, in my previous videos, then that's why, guys. I'm in deep thought, focused. Going back in with my Morphe spoolie. And I'm going to take the other side with my brush and my e.l.f. brow dip and just complete the tail. Now I'm going to start blending together those two shades. And of course, go back in with my LA Girl concealer. And I sped it up a little for you guys because I'm just repeating the same process. Just lining up the brow, cleaning it up, and defining it. And right here, you just see me making sure it's proportional to the other brow. And I'm going to meet right back in the middle where I started. You're going to continue seeing me lining it up right at the edge. Just going to keep cleaning it up. No unibrows, no boxes. And guys, remember that proportion is key. You don't want one brow looking drastically different from the other one, like one's bigger or one's smaller. They should look very similar, not twins, but sisters. That's the correct saying. And of course, I'm going back in with the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm just gonna keep defining them. And you're never done with the other brow. You just want it to look just as similar as the other one. Just gonna keep correcting it. And keep fading it to my liking. You see me knocking hairs out the way. I'm just trying to get it as close to your natural shape as possible, but in a defined way. And I'm going back in with the spoolie just to make sure that it gives us that hair-like appearance. Just blending in that makeup. And of course, I'm gonna blend my concealer out. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 355 Coconut. And I'm just going to blend out that concealer so it doesn't look like it's just sitting under my brows. Just gonna blend it on out. I'm going to take a bigger buffing brush and just blend out all that makeup. And we are all finished. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this look, you'll like the next one. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my next brow tutorial, nice and filled in, a little less natural and more for full glam. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.